place, not too far away, somewhere we can disappear, where we'll all be safe and sound, no troubles to be found. The skies are only bright and clear.